Hello viewers, yesterday I published as well as discussed adverb clause and adverb clause of reason, and today's lesson is adverb clause of manner. Then what is the adverb clause of manner? Please ask the finite verb of the principal clause by how, and you will get the answer, and that is the adverb clause of manner, and the subordinate clause is the adverb clause of manner. Now let us discuss by giving some examples, and all these examples will make you understand how you can use adverb clause of manner in your sentences. For example, just write down the first sentence I am dictating. He entered the room stealthily as a thief might have. Again, I am telling you the sentence. He entered the room stealthily as a thief might have. Now number one, please write down. He entered the room stealthily, principal clause. Number two, as a thief might have, subordinate adverb clause, that is adverb clause of manner. Modifying the adverb stealthily, because here the adverb clause of manner is not modifying the verb entered, because there is stealthily another adverb in the principal clause, and that adverb is modified by the subordinate clause. Okay, now write down the second sentence. The children played in the selfish giant's garden as they liked. The children played in the selfish giant's garden as they liked. Number one, the children played in the selfish giant's garden is principal clause. Why is it principal clause? Because it can act independently. It doesn't depend on any other clause. So it is principal clause. So it is principal clause. As they liked, subordinate adverb clause, and here modifying the verb played. Ask the verb played by how. Ask the verb played by how, and it will give you answer as they liked. So it is adverb clause of manner, modifying the verb played. Now write down the sentence number 3, that is the third sentence. Travel as you like. Travel as you like. So here you is omitted. Travel as you like. So number one, principal clause is you travel. Keep this you within the brackets. You travel, principal clause. Number 2, as you like. As you like, subordinate adverb clause, and modifying the verb travel. Ask the verb travel by how, and it will give you answer as you like. So it is an example of adverb clause of manner. Spend your money as you choose. Number 4, spend your money as you choose. Number 1, spend your money, that means you spend your money, principal clause. Number 2, as you choose, subordinate adverb clause and adverb clause of manner, because ask the finite verb spend by how, and it will give you answer as you choose. So it is an example of adverb clause of manner. Number 5, please write down. The old man was shouting as a young man would have. As a young man would have. Number 1, the old man was shouting, principal clause. The old man was shouting, principal clause. As a young man would have, that means as a young man would have shouted. A shouted is omitted. As a young man would have shouted. Subordinate adverb clause of manner. Ask the finite verb of the principal clause by how, and it will give you answer as a young man would have. That means young man would have shouted. So it is an example of adverb clause of manner. Now write down, after taking the examples and analyzing the sentences, we may come to the conclusion that an adverb clause of manner generally begins with as, which means like. Here as means like. It modifies either a verb or an adverb or an adjective. It modifies either a verb or an adverb or an adjective. So that's the end of my lecture on adverb clause of manner. Thank you very much.